Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata and you have guys engine light on any of the following codes, I'm talking about code P0365 366 367 368 or 369. Any of those 5 codes guys, we'll explain what can cause that, how to fix it. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share super helpful information that can save you so much money and trouble fixing your Hyundai Sonata. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys, okay, that we have right here that we'll be working on. Now you need to remove your upper engine cover. We have a video how to do that, and the problem that's causing guys any of these codes, okay, it's a camshaft position sensor. But now that's where things gets a little bit interesting. You're trying to wonder, okay, which actually camshaft position sensor causes that and why. You have on your Hyundai Sonata 2 camshaft position sensors, one on one detecting the movement of the intake camshaft, one on the exhaust camshaft. Looking at your engine guys, on the front side of your engine this is your intake manifold, on the back side this is the exhaust right here. So looking at that engine guys, okay, you will notice that the camshafts will be under that cover, the valve cover right here, and this sensor here is for the intake camshaft and this sensor, okay, on the back will be for the exhaust, okay, where did that thing go? For the exhaust camshaft guys, okay, right here. Now this is the one that we need. If you guys have any of those codes, most likely guys, okay, the problem is related to the exhaust camshaft position sensor, and this is the connector for that sensor. Things that you need to check: make sure that the connector is plugged all the way in. Another thing, make sure guys, okay, that you don't have oil leak in the wiring harness as well, because if your valve cover is leaking oil or your camshaft position sensor seal is leaking oil right here, that oil can make its way in the wires and that can cause the signal to be interrupted, and it will not get good communication and you may get a cold. Make sure the wires are not melted from the exhaust. That's why you should have that shield plate here. We got everything loose so we can replace it, and make sure that the wires are not eaten by mice or anything like that guys. Now if that is all good, most likely you have a bad sensor. If you want to see how to replace it, we have a complete video on the channel, so please check it out. It will teach you how to do that. Also we have a video that will explain how to test that sensor guys, why to actually replace the sensor if it's good. We have a special video that teaches you how to safely test the camshaft position sensor on your Hyundai Sonata. Video will be on the channel. Please guys check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with anything like that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.